Good day, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be discussing a CSEC past paper question, right, from May 2013, and it's on functions, right? So this is question 5b. So it reads, given that f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over 3 and g of x is equal to 4x plus 5, determine the values of fg of 2 and f inverse of 3. So, to go to the first question, if you realize it is a composite function, right? Fg of 2. So to do this, right, what I'm going to do is to substitute this 2 into the last function, which is g, right? Let me get started. So the function was, in for g is 4x plus 5. So I'm going to substitute 2 wherever I see x. So it'll be 4 times 2 plus 5, right? I will know bracket means to multiply, right? And 4x means 4 times x. So whatever the x value is, we're going to multiply it by 4, and we know it's 2 in this case. So 4 times 2 would give us 8, right? Plus 5 will give us 13. So you see this 13 which we get? The last thing to do is to substitute it into f's function, and that's the answer, right? So where we see x in the f function, we're going to substitute 13. So the function is 2x plus 1 over 3, right? So 2 times 13 plus 1 over 3. And 2 times 13 would give us 26 plus 1 over 3. And 26 plus 1 gives us 27 over 3. And therefore, we know our answer will be 9 because 3 goes into 27 9 times, right? So therefore, fg of 2 is equal to 9. Let's proceed. The second thing they want us to do is to find f inverse of 3, right? So the first thing we need to do is to find f's inverse. So we know the function is 2x plus 1, right? The first thing to do is to make y the subject. So it will be y is equal to 2x plus 1 over 3. The second step is to exchange x for y and y for x. So this is basically saying wherever you see y, you'd put x, right? Like this, x is equal to, and wherever you see x, you'd put y. So 2y, because x was here, so now we'll put y there, right? Plus 1 over 3, right? So basically what we want to do is to get y by itself, right? So to do this, we can just cross multiply, right? So be 3 times x, right, is equal to 1 times 2y plus 1, right? So now we'll be left with 3x is equal to 2y plus 1, because any number and anything you multiply 1 by, you get back itself, right? All right, so let me clear the screen so we can get more space. All right, so to get y by itself, right, we need to get rid of the number that's beside the term 2y, right? And we already established that in the earlier algebra video that a term is when a coefficient and a variable comes together, right? And we know the coefficient is a number which comes before the variable, and the variable now is the variables are the letter, right? Yes. So now the number that's beside the 2y, which is the term, right, is 1. So we need to do the opposite of positive 1, which is negative 1. So we're going to minus negative 1 to get this set, to get this part to 0, right? To get rid of the 1 totally. So it is an equation. What you do to one side, you do it to the other. So therefore, we're left with 3x minus 1 is equal to 2y. And to get y by itself, all we need to do is to divide both sides by 2, right? So therefore, y is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2, right? So therefore, f inverse of x is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2. All right, now. So no, we're not finished yet. They want us to find f inverse of 3, and we're the phone inverse, so the inverse. So all we need to do is to substitute 3 wherever we see x, right? So let's do that. So now let's substitute 3 wherever we see x, right? So that would be 3 times 3 minus 1 over 2. 3 times 3 is 9, right? So we're left with 9 minus 1 over 2, right? Which would leave us with 9 minus 1 would give us 8. 8 over 2, and therefore our answer is 4. Because 2 goes into 8 4 times. So therefore, f inverse of 3 is equal to 4. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.